Still coming down pretty good there, Tony.
Oh, Mike, it is just coming down in sheets. I mean, probably some of the hardest snow from this storm that we've seen in the last couple of hours. So this is Doppler Radar. The blue is the precipitation, the snow, but it's this darker strip of blue, which is essentially eastern Connecticut, all of Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts. It is snowing at the rate of 1, 2, 3 inches per hour, combined with wind gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour. It is really true blizzard conditions, and in some cases, the visibility is down to like 100 yards. So here's the wider view, and it's just an elongated area of very heavy snow that's pinwheeling in off the ocean. The storm itself intensifying to our south. That'll continue to track north and east, but this will continue, I would say, for several more hours. By mid-afternoon, it'll start to let up. Norton, Mass. leading the way at 14. Burrillville at 12, but Burrillville's been snowing at 1 to 2 inches per hour. Attleboro with a foot. Taunton close to that. Westport at 10. So these snow totals are really piling up. But tell you what, it's pretty difficult to measure the snow because it's just blowing around. So to get an accurate measurement is tough. But bottom line, there's a lot of snow out there, and there's a lot of wind as well. Peak wind gusts, Charlestown at 64. North Kingstown, Narragansett, Newport, Bristol, all coming in between 50 and 60. But out on Cape Cod, what was it, Provincetown, Truro, 80 to 90 mile per hour gusts. Of course, the elbow of the Cape, the outer Cape, jutting out over the ocean closer to the nor'easter, so the wind's stronger. As far as the final snowfall accumulation forecast statewide, generally a 15 to 24-inch snowfall. Many locations closing in on the 15 right now, so we'll at least verify with this amount. I don't think every location's getting up at 24, but some spots will, depending on how long those very intense bands hang over one area and the near blizzard conditions at times. We take a look at the visibilities, and this is really the criteria for a blizzard. Very poor visibility, quarter mile or less, strong wind, heavy snow, and you can see many areas near zero or just a couple of 100 feet in visibility. So case in point, Narragansett, you can clearly see the reduced visibility, the snow blowing sideways. And this picture has been incredible in North Scituate. Somewhere down here is the intersection of Route 101 and 102. So, you know, they plow the snow, the plows clear the snow, the wind blows the snow back over the road. So it's tough to keep the roads clear, and why state police want you to stay off the roads. It's just the visibility is poor. I mean, you want the plows to be able to see you. Blizzard warning for the areas in red. This continues all day into the evening. It officially expires at midnight, though I do expect the snow to be, at least the intensity, to be easing up. Wind gusts, generally 40, 45, 55 miles per hour, but out on the islands, Nantucket, gusting to 61 and gusting even higher out over Cape Cod. Temperatures, it is a cold snowstorm. I mean, all snowstorms are cold, but, you know, usually in a lot of snowstorms we get around here, the temperature's like 28, 29. It's only 18 degrees. This is all snow. There's no change over to rain, and you throw in that wind, and these feel-like temperatures are running near or below zero. So this is the wedge of very heavy snow. The storm itself, the circulation is right in here. This is Cape Cod, and this is the classic track, unfortunately, for, you know, a powerhouse nor'easter. As this tracks north and east towards Halifax, it will take this band of heavy snow and pull it away, but that doesn't happen until probably mid-afternoon, around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So when we take this into the future, watch the L, that's the storm, watch the blue, that's the heavy snow, and then here we go. Take this to about 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Still some moderate to, at times, heavy snow, but then notice how it starts to break apart, ease in intensity by 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. And as the storm continues to wrap up towards Halifax, Nova Scotia, by late evening and towards midnight, it's pretty much shutting down the snow. But the wind will continue. So we take a look at these wind gusts along the coast, gusts to 60 to 70, but we've had hurricane-force gusts across the outer Cape and Nantucket. Elsewhere, inland gusts between 45 and 60 miles per hour may cause some scattered power outages. Fortunately, in Rhode Island, the outages haven't been too widespread, but they have been widespread across coastal southeastern Mass. A windswept heavy snow near whiteout conditions the rest of the afternoon, easing up by evening. And that's well-deserved, huh? Sunshine, windy, cold, and dry on Sunday. A good day for cleaning up. Temperatures on Sunday in the mid to upper 20s. But a real tough go out there as far as travel and visibility. And if you ever wondered what blizzard conditions were like, this is it. Fortunately, this is a storm that's hitting on a Saturday and not a Monday afternoon at 5 o'clock.
Thought about that driving in, that the timing was good because it would be a true mess.
It's a completely different story on a weekday.
So, all right. We're going to be here all afternoon, and of course tonight at 6, 10, and 11. The governor